Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rocket R58. I came to the shop for two reasons, one of which was a bad smell, and the other one was the hot water valve wasn't letting any water out. That was the first issue of the bad smell. When testing the machine, I also noticed that it didn't really power up very consistently. Found that the switch was bad. You can see a little bit of heat damage here. That's because, there was some sort of fault in it causing it to overheat and create that bad smell. One of the things potentially contributing to it, I found when testing all the electronics, I was trying to see if it was sinking too much current through it, and I found that the heating element, which produces like the most current draw on the machine, the heating element in the steam boiler was cracked. As we can see, we were able to test with resistance testing, meaning that current was able to flow into the water. And that can cause a whole bunch of electrical issues, and potentially cause more current to be drawn than what it's rated for. So replace the heating element and the switch. For the hot water valve, Rocket uses a kind of complex hot water valve design. Basically, there is there's a little donut-shaped gasket. It's inside of a metal carrier. It's pushed against a orifice with raised edges against spring pressure. We turn this counterclockwise. Let's do that here. We turn this counterclockwise. It pushes up against that gasket carrier and causes water to flow past. What's happening in this case is that water on one side of the gasket was getting under the gasket. It was like snaking its way under the gasket and pushing forward, causing it to behave that when you tried to open it, the gasket would just be pushed forward against it. So even when it was pushed as forward as it should be, the gasket, filled in that gap. It wasn't seated properly in that gasket carrier, so it kept the seal closed, except for like a little dribble. As you can see here, we have good water. We also have good steam here. And I'm just gonna make some espresso to test the machine. Don't worry about it if it's a little fast or a little slow. We don't have this machine dialed in, to our grinders or anything. We're just testing the basic functionality of the machine. A little fast. It's all right. I'm just going to stop it right there. Other than that, the machine seems to be working well. We have hot water. We have a new switch in there and a new heating element. And we have a nice working display. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.